Hi children, good morning. Hope you are all safe. Be safe and separate, okay? So today we are going to see how to multiply the integers. So before getting into the topic, we can see what we have learned in our previous session. So what we have learned in our previous session, we have learned what are all integers. So integers is nothing but plus and negative numbers along with a zero, and we have seen how to add and subtract the integers. Okay, so for that I have given you four concepts. Do you remember that? So what was that concept? Let us have a short recall. So if any two numbers in the same sign, that is if any two numbers in plus or in any two numbers in minus, so here x stands for any numbers. Okay, so what is the procedure? You have to add that particular number and you have to put that same symbol. If the two numbers are in plus, you just add and put that plus. If any two numbers are in minus sign, you have to add such and you have to put the minus symbol. Okay, so what was the second criteria we have learned? If one number is in plus and another number is in negative, so what we have to do, you have to subtract the small number from the bigger number, and usually you have to put the bigger number sign. So this is the concept you have to be insist in your mind. So that is why I am repeating this again and again. If two numbers are in the same sign, you just add and put that particular sign. If two numbers are in different sign, you just subtract and put the bigger number sign. Please be thorough with this concept, because next we are going to see the multiplication of integers. So multiplication table is just differs from addition table. So you just recall the thing we have learned in adding and subtracting the integers. So let us enter into the content. Okay, before entering into the content, I thought to share you something about AC multiplication that I have came across. So here I have given you two numbers. So 63 into 43. Usually what we'll be doing, we usually take 3 and multiply it with 63, and we will take 4 and multiply it by 63, and you will be adding this thing. So instead of that, I have given you some tricky method. That is, this method is applicable only if its unit place is same. If it differs, this method does not apply. Okay, so you be clear with that. If the unit digits are same, you can apply this method. Okay, dear children, listen. So here the unit digit is same. So what I have used is 3 into 3 is 9. So represent the answer as a two-digit symbol. So 09 I have written. And 6 into 4 is 24, and add the 24 with this common number 3. So 24 plus 3 is 27. So whether we have got getting the same answer, 2709, 2709. This tricky method will be helpful for you for easy calculation. Shall we see one more example? So I have given you one more example, that is 39 into 79. So here the unit number is 9. So 9 into 9 is 81. I have written here. Next 3 into 7 is 21. The 21 should be added with 9. So that is equal to 30. So the answer is 3081. You can verify in calculator also. I have given you one more sum for practice. To 21 into 81, so 1 into 1 is 0 1. So why 0 1? Because we have to represent as a two-digit number. So 0 1. So 2 into 8 is 16. 16 plus that common 1. So 16 plus 1 is equal to 17. So answer is 1701. So this method will be easy for you to calculating any two-digit number with the same unit place, with the same unit digit. Okay. Try out with different numbers so that it will be easy for you to practice. Shall we enter into the content today? So today we are going to see how to multiply the integers. So before multiplying the integers, you have to come across the properties of the integers. So what are the properties is commutative property, multiplicative, and associative property was there. Children, hope you have come across the word commutative. Do you remember commutative? Yes, we have learned this commutative in addition. So what was the condition we have learned there? A plus B is equal to B plus A. Do you remember that? Yes. That is 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. Do you remember this example that I have taught you earlier? So same way, so what I have thought there, while adding two numbers, even though its place value have been changed, the final answer will not be changed. So that the content we have learned in commutative of addition. So same condition for multiplication also. If two numbers have been multiplied by interchanging its place value, the final answer never changed. That is 3 into 2, 2 into 3 is 6. So here the place value of the numbers have been changed, but the answer is unchanged. So this is the commutative property. This commutative property satisfies for multiplication and addition, not for subtraction. That example also I have gave you already. That is 3 minus 2 is 1, 2 minus 3 is minus 1. We have learned. Do you remember? I hope you will not forget. So commutative property will satisfy multiplication and addition, not for subtraction. Next we are going to see the multiplicative identity. So this identity is very simple. So what is the concept behind the identity is, if I'll shoot out few example. 100 into 1, what is the answer? 100. 10 into 1, what is the answer? 10. 99 into 1, 99. So from this example you can observe, that is any number multiplied by 1, you will get that particular number as the answer. So here that 1 stands for the identity element. That is 1 into 5 also 5, 5 into 1 is also 5. So 1 is the identity element. So multiplicative identity, the concept is any number multiplied by 1, you will get that particular number as the answer. One more condition I have sharing here. Any number multiplied with a 0, the answer is 0. That is 5 into 0, the answer is 0. So whatever the number multiplied with 0, you will get 0 as an answer. Any number multiplied with 1, that number will be the answer. So you should not be confused with these two concepts. Any number multiplied with 1, that number will be the answer. Any number multiplied with 0, 0 will be the answer. Clear, children? So next we are getting into the associative property. So associative property is nothing but priority, that is hierarchy of multiplication. You have to give the importance for bracket, that is the number inside the bracket should be multiplied first, then with the next number. So 2 into 3 is 6, 6 into 4 is 24. So here same number, but just the bracket have been changed. So 3 into 4 is 12, so 12 into 2 is 24. This stands for the associative property. So associative property is nothing but even though the place bracket have been interchanged, the value remains unchanged. So that is what I have given you as an example. Okay, children, here we are going to enter into the main concept. Main thing you have to keep in your mind for doing the exercise. As such, the addition table I have given you the multiplication. So what I have given in the multiplication table is, so here x stands for any numbers. Okay, so here x stands for any numbers. If any two numbers with plus sign, if you are multiplying any two numbers with plus sign, you have to multiply the number as such and you have to put the plus as the symbol. Okay, why I am considering the symbol again and again means, in mathematics symbol plays a vital role. So if I am asking what's your name, you will be telling your name with initials, like you will not omit initial. So how much preference we are giving for initials, so that much importance you have to given for symbols. So that is why I am persisting this concept in your mind. Okay, so plus into plus is plus. Same way, if any two numbers in negative sign, you have to multiply the number as such and the symbol given here is plus. That is minus into minus is plus. Plus into plus is plus, minus into minus is plus. So these two things comes under one category. So the next category is If one number in plus, another number in negative, and one number in minus, another number in plus, the answer is minus. You have to multiply the numbers as such and you have to put the minus symbol. So what is the criteria is, I have separated into two concepts, that is for easy remembrance. So what is the concept is, if any two number is multiplied with the same sign, just put the plus symbol. Okay, so that apt for these two things. And the next content is, if any two numbers in the different sign, just put the negative sign. So it will be easier for you to keep in your mind. If two numbers are in plus, multiply and put the plus sign. If two numbers are in negative, multiply and put the plus sign. If two numbers are in a different symbol, plus into minus or minus into plus, you have to give the minus symbol as an answer. So just by applying the content, I have given you the example, that is look into the example. 4 examples I have given. 2 into 3 is 6. So here 2 and 3 carries plus sign. So plus sign is invisible because you no need of putting plus. If there is no sign, then it is plus, we are assuming. So 2 into 3 is plus 6. And next is minus 2 and minus 3. So minus into minus is plus, 2 into 3 is 6. And here minus 2 into plus 3 is minus 6 and 2 into minus 3 is also minus 6. So this is the concept, you should not forget. Minus into minus plus, plus into minus or minus into plus is minus. Please insist in your mind. Okay. Shall we enter into the exercise? Just by using this concept, I have filled the fill in the blanks and true or false. So what is the first question given here? Minus 80 into dash is equal to minus 80. So any number multiplied by 1, you will get the same answer. So minus 80 into 1 is minus 80. So minus 10 into dash is equal to 20. So the answer is in positive. So the number added multiplied will also be in negative. So minus into minus is plus. So minus 2 into minus 10 is equal to 20. So 100 into dash is equal to minus 500. So answer is in negative. So this number is positive. So definitely one negative number should be multiplied. So 100 into minus 5 is equal to minus 500. So dash into minus 9 is minus 45. So same concept. The final answer is in negative. So the question was in negative. So one plus number to be multiplied. So 5 into minus 9 is minus 45. So 0 into 75 is 0. So this is fill in the blanks. And you can enter into the true or false. So what is the condition is, minus 15 into 5 is 75. Whether it is true? No, false. Because while multiplying one negative number with positive number, the final answer should be in minus. So here it is in plus. So therefore it is false. So any number multiplied with a 0, the answer is 0. So therefore it is true. So here 8 into minus 4 is minus 32 should be given, but here they have given the plus 32. So therefore it is false. Okay children, we can wind up. So what we have learned in today's session, we have learned computative property, identity element, that is identity element is 1. So what was the concept we have learned there? Any number multiplied with 1, that particular number will be the answer, and any number multiplied with the 0 will be the answer. And we have also seen the associative property. Associative property is nothing but even though the bracket have been changed, the final answer never changed. And we have come across the multiplication table. So what is the multiplication table's content? Any two numbers with the same sign to be multiplied, the answer will be in plus sign. If any two numbers in different sign, the answer will be in negative. And also I have taught you few easy tricks multiplication. So I am giving you activity in that. You just try out different numbers by ending same unit number. Okay. Hope today's class was interesting. So try out different sums under the same concept. See you in the next class. Thank you children.